Welcome to the Motor India show. My name is Roy P. Tharian. Today we have Mr. Jitendra Sharma. He's the managing director and founder of Okinawa Scooters. They are into the manufacture and sale of electric two-wheelers in this country. We are going to ask Mr. Sharma some very pertinent questions about his company and the products he sells in this country. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
First and foremost, sir, what has been the progress of your company, the level of acceptance of these electric two-wheelers? Is it getting better? Are people getting aware and are people liking your products?
Yeah, of course, if you see, the market size is increasing in the electric vehicle segment. And of course, for the Okinawa, it's growing like anything. Like last year, we have a dealer around 200 dealers. But as on today, as presently, we are more than 350 dealers pan-India, plus sub-dealers also. So if you see, this is only because the people are accepting our product, new dealerships are coming, it means it gives the visibility of our product as well as the dealerships pan-India. So if you find our dealers are available from Srinagar till Kerala, if you go in the west, it is Mumbai, you go to Gujarat, if you go to east, even far east like Assam, go to Guwahati, you go to Manipur, Imphal, even Nagaland we have the dealers. That shows the acceptability of our product. And because it's only because of the performance of the our product, because when the EV vehicles comes, people always think whether this vehicle can go in peaks and valley or not, but our product is proven there, and that's why people are liking our product. And we already have a different range of product, start from slow speed to high speed also.
But sir, a general perception hai among the general masses that these electric scooters are basically, they just come into India through the import route from China. They're assembled here. It's pure Chinese. So is it true or false?
I'll say there is a lots of difference between the company to company. If you ask about the Okinawa, fortunately Okinawa was the first company who got this FAME 2 in the month of April 2019. That means the localization, and the second thing is the performance of the product. It means our company is 100%, when we talk about 100% Indian company, as on today, our localization, this percentage is more than 88 to 90%. And among all the companies available in the EV segment, we are number one in that area of the localization of that. So it means we are 100% purely Indian company whose all the supplier base is in India. And even the government has already accepted, because if you go about the FAME 2, we were the first company who got this certification also. So if you go to the NAP portal, that is a DHI, the government, central government portal, you find that Okinawa is number one in selling the product on that portal also.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit about your plant? I mean, where are these made and what are the capacities like?
If you see, right now we have a manufacturing facilities in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan. And if you see the capacity of our plant, it is in one shift goes up to 90,000 vehicles. When you go for the two shift, it goes 1,80,000. But apart from this, we are also coming our new facility also in future. By the next financial year, and we are coming with the new facility also.
Okay, wonderful. And initially when you launched your electric two-wheelers, they came with lead acid batteries. Now you have lithium ion batteries. So have people started liking it, because obviously the latter are much more better and the range is better. So what's the acceptance there?
If you see about the technology, of course, the lithium is far better than the lead acid, because when we launched in 2017, that was the lead acid, that was the, if you see, that is the starting of the EV this term, when the people don't understand about how the electric vehicles behave. Prior to that also, the electric vehicle company was available, but if you see, those vehicles was a slow speed vehicle, they don't have the performance vehicle. When we launched our first product, Ridge, that was in the high speed vehicles. So people understand how the vehicles behave. It should be good as per the IC engine. Then only people can go for the electric vehicles. That's why we shift last year from lead acid to lithium ion, because we understand the technology now is already matured and we are already working on. The best part of our vehicle is that we have the detachable lithium ion battery. It means you take out the battery, you can charge at your own convenience, like mobile charging. You can charge at your home, you can charge at your offices, anywhere, like mobile charging. Don't need any infrastructure for charging this vehicle. And that's why last year we go to the Khadungla Pass, that is the highest motorable road in the world, because of our detachable lithium ion battery. So that's why the life, and the other part, if you ask about the performance, the life of the battery is 3 years. That is, company is giving the warranty to the consumer, and life goes up to 5 years depending upon the usage of the customers. So if you see, the running cost of this vehicle is very less as compared to in terms of the service, in terms of your running cost. Running cost is around 20 paisa per kilometer. Apart from the IC engine, it is around 1 rupees 80 paisa to 2 rupees. So people understand the technology is good. If the product is good as per the performance of the IC engine, of course the people will move, and that is the best part for Okinawa. People liking our product because of course one part is the lithium-ion technology also.
Okay, but is there any single critical component that is imported from anywhere, perhaps from South Korea or from China?
As on today, of course, our one product is there, one part is there, that is of course the motor is there. But if you see Okinawa, we already have the IPR, that is the patent. So if you see, the motor is the Okinawa patent, the controller is the Okinawa patent, and same way the battery BMS is Okinawa patent. So if you see, the cell of course is coming from the outside India because there is no cell manufacturing in India. But the battery pack we are making in India only.
Coming to the number game, where do you stand? Are you among the leading players, or is there a huge distance between the first and the second and the third and the fourth? What's the position like?
If you ask me about the EV market, EV two-wheeler, of course we are one of the leading, I would say. So that we are, you can say, top 2, we can say, among them.
Okay, wonderful. And you just mentioned about making the parts here. Can you tell us something about your supplier base? How many people supply and how is it happening? And how did you develop this supply base over these last very few years?
All the supply, we always believe as a company Okinawa that make in India, because that is also a vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Modi also. So we believe make in India, made for India. So that's why if you see, ask me about the supplier base. When we started our company, we started in 2015, but we launched our first product in 2017. It means 2 years we work very hard on our prototype vehicles, how it runs, how it behaves, and by the same time we start developing our parts in India, because that time the number of suppliers who was ready to develop for the electric vehicles were very less, because they understand they were asking for the number of volumes are very less. So because there is always a business call also for that. But we somehow we convince them, because we understand the market is going to grow for this. So as on today, if you ask me, we have around more than 90 suppliers in India, and they all are pan-India. Most of them are in near our NCR, and they are supplies to us, and all these suppliers are A-class suppliers who is supplied to big OEMs in India as well as the outside India also.
So when you talk of expansion, does it also mean that there would be changes in your plant capacities or perhaps a new plant?
Yeah, of course. When we are coming with a new facility, as I told you, that facility will be like has a capacity of 1 million vehicle per year. As on today, because as a Okinawa we understand this market is going to grow like anything. If you see, the overall market of two-wheeler is more than 20 millions, and when Okinawa is asking for 1 million, that will be another 3 years or 4 years down the line, because our plant will be ready by next year, end of the next year financial year. So then we'll see another 3 years to 4 years we can capture that market, because that time I think the market will going to be maybe 25 million or 30 million, and 1 million for the Okinawa is not so big, because we understand we are too much confident about the product, this performance of vehicle, which is as per the IC engine.
Okay, and what about a product which you showcased at the Auto Expo 2020? It was a cruiser, if I'm not mistaken. When do we see that on the road?
Actually, that was the, if you see that cruiser, that is in our coming in the next, you can say financial year, 4th quarter. But before that also, if you remember, we always showcase our motorcycle also. Last Auto Expo. So very soon we are coming with the motorcycle segment also, because Okinawa believes that as on today we are in the scooter segment, but once the customer comes in, he also asks for the motorcycle also. So we will be the company who will in the scooter segment as well as the motorcycle segment also. So very soon, I think maybe by the festival time, you will see our Okinawa motorcycle that we call as Oki 100.
Well, that's wonderful. That's very good news. But would it be again a high-speed motorcycle, which goes perhaps in and around 100 kilometers per hour?
Of course, Okinawa, if you see, main DNA is a high speed. So we talk about the speed only. So our motorcycle will be the high-speed vehicle, and that speed of that motorcycle will be around 100 to 120 kilometer per hour, and that range will be around 150 kilometer in a single charge.
But how are you so sure that this product, a motorcycle, an electric motorcycle, will be successful in India? Because there are already a couple of them trying their hand there, but as per my reports, they're not very successful. So are you confident about that?
Actually, the best part of this our motorcycle OKINAVA 100 is that is 100% Indian motorcycle. When we launch, all the product, all the parts of that motorcycle is made in India, and we ensure the quality of that product is as good as the other IC engine motorcycle which is available in the market. So we'll compete with those IC engine motorcycle, not with the electric vehicles motorcycle which is available in market. We understand what is the need of a consumer, that is more important for a company. So how the youth want, what they want for the motorcycle, and all these capabilities we infuse in this motorcycle. Even if you see the rendering of that motorcycle starting from sketching till the finish of the product, everything is made in India, and we are 200% confident about the performance and the quality of that product, and we ensure 200% time first by the company. Once we ensure about this performance, then only we are going to launch this. So we are sure about this. This motorcycle is going to bring the buzz in the market, in the motorcycle segment.
Okay, wish you the very best. Mr. Sharma, I'm very curious. You have a cutout of an electric two-wheeler there. Is there a message there for people?
Yeah, of course. Actually, we want to show the quality of our product. It shows the technology of the electric vehicles, how it looks like. And it also shows the less number of parts, less warranty, means less serviceability. That shows the running cost of the vehicle is less. And apart from this, there is another message for that. If you see the thickness of our product, normally if you go to electric vehicles, other two-wheelers, they don't follow the international standard. In case of OKINAVA, we follow the international standard. For example, the thickness of this part is 3 plus minus 0.2 mm. Normally this is an international standard which follow for the ABS and the PP parts, and we follow that. Same way, if you see the thickness of the frame, the chassis which shows the strength of our product, it shows the welding, how the welding, because we are using the robotic welding in our product, that shows the strength of our product. Same way, if you see how the wire harness, how it behaves, it's also like the international standard. It means there is no sparking, there is no hazardous for the consumer or for the driver. Same way, if you see, this is the lithium ion battery which we cut from the half of it. It shows how the lithium ion looks like, how it behaves, because the knowledge about the electric vehicles among the society, among the people are very less. So we want to show the technology. Of course, this is our patent also, we have some patent in that, but we are showing it because we want the society or the people should adopt this technology. Of course, somebody asked me if they will copy. I also feel they can copy it, because how they will sustain, that is very important, and that requires the knowledge of the electric vehicles. Copying can do by anyone, but just to sustain is very important. It's not possible for everyone. So that's why we show the technology, how it looks like, and by the same time we show the product quality in terms of their strength, in terms of their quality, and which type of product, which type of component we are using in our product, which the consumer is going to use, so they can aware about in and out of the product of OKINAVA. So that shows the OKINAVA technology.
Wonderful. Now, since you mentioned that, I'm also very curious. If I were to ask you broadly, can you tell me which are the important parts here?
If you ask me, if you talk about the powertrain, there is 3 parts. One is this is the motor, another is the battery, and there is one part here is a controller. This comes under the powertrain. Apart from this, these are other normal parts like the chassis, like this is the frame. Of course, this is the disc brakes, and these are the lights, and other are same as the IC engine. Apart from IC engine, if you compare with this, only the difference between is the engine versus battery, motor, and the controller. The whole engine of an IC engine replaced by these 3 components. That is the major difference between IC vehicle, two-wheeler, and the EV vehicle. Rest all are same. Okay. But in this case, one more thing. Our OKINAVA vehicle are the connected vehicles. It means you can just control our complete vehicle with your mobile phone, and that is the best part of OKINAVA. We call it as OKINAVA app. So you just control your complete scooter with your mobile phone. Like we have the geofencing, geo-tracking, GPS, navigation, other things you can control by your mobile phone only, and that is called as OKINAVA technology.
And is it also safe to assume that the lithium-ion battery is the most expensive part here?
Yeah, of course, you're right. This is, I think, around 35% or 40% of the cost of the complete vehicle.
So do you think in future, for a success of a two-wheeler, an electric two-wheeler, if the prices of lithium-ion batteries come down, the better the acceptance?
Of course, now if you see the trend of the lithium-ion battery for the last 5 years, and now it's already going down, and in future is also going to be down. So if you see now, we already have these many mines we find in India also. Earlier it is no mines we find. It normally in the Latin America and other part of the world. But now we recently find some mines in the south part of India. Same way now lithium price globally is going down. So last year if you see 2 years back, this size of the battery pack cost you more than 60,000, 70,000. By the same time it is now 40,000. It means it already 30 or 40% cost is already reduced. So and the next down the line 3-4 years, I think this price is going to down. It will be more acceptable to the consumer also, because it's more viable in terms of economy. So that is also there. But as on today also, this product is more cheaper than the IC engine when you are running the vehicles.
Okay. And equally important, do you also feel, Mr. Sharma, that in years to come, the charging time too will be reduced drastically?
If you ask about Okinawa, our technology is a high-speed charger. Today, these batteries can be charged. 80% of the battery can charge in 45 minutes, and 2 to 3 hours it will charge 100%. So we already have given this technology of the high-speed charging, that is already there. But of course, this is just like electric vehicles, just like innovation is doing every day. New things is coming every day. So now Okinawa is already doing more innovation in our coming product also. Of course, now it is 2 to 3 hours. I think future we are coming the 1 hour also it will be charged in complete battery like this. So these are the innovation which you are developing every day, every time.
And before we wrap up, I just want to ask you very briefly, what are your future plans? Do you always want to be in the two-wheeler segment, in the electric segment, or do you want to move perhaps into the four-wheeler segment?
If you ask me, as on today, our most important focus is the two-wheeler, because if you see, India is the biggest two-wheeler market after China. So we, as I told you, 20 million, more than 20 million is the market as on today. So after down the line 5 years, it will be 25 million or 30 millions. So first of all, we want to grab what is our company vision, Okinawa vision, to benchmark or to cover the 1 million market share. So that is our first focus, and future nobody knows what is going to happen. But our primary focus is to become a leading player in the two-wheeler segment of electric vehicle.
There's a huge epidemic around the world. In fact, it's pandemic. So the coronavirus has hit a lot of businesses, sentiments, growth. What are your views on that?
I think, of course, the corona is not good for the human being as a society. But if you ask me about the business, of course, the sentiments are down, because now the corona is also coming in India. But by the same time, I don't see the business is going down. People are, of course, buying the product, but due to the sentiments are down. Of course, the sales figure may fluctuate, but I would not say it will go too much down. So business is going to be smooth.
Okay, so you're very optimistic.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much.